Okay, we're back with video number 3. So we've been talking about how we have to select a piece of the x equals cos y graph and keep one piece of it so that that piece will be a function, and we have to throw away all the other bits. So on the screen right now we have option 1 in yellow, which would be a function. We have option 2 in blue, which would be a function. And obviously there's more pieces that we could choose if we really wanted to. I'll draw in red. If you guys really wanted to, we could keep this piece up here. I don't think you want to keep that. It's kind of dumb as well. So I think the class is going to vote to keep the yellow piece, and that's going to be our inverse function. So we're going to draw that yellow piece over here to the right where it asks you to draw it. It says graph the function y equals inverse cosine of x. It says it's got to be a function, so we can only draw a piece that will be a function. So our graph will be this piece. And when you draw it, make sure you draw it curved, because it really is just part of a long sinusoidal wave. So don't draw a straight line segment. Make sure it reminds you of the tan function, but it doesn't go on forever, right? So that's how it's a bit different. Okay. So you've got it. That is the function that's programmed into your calculator and is programmed into Excel and is programmed into all kinds of math-related programs. This is the one that people use. Another name for this function, which you may or may not have seen before, is arc cos. In Excel, it's programmed as a cos. Same thing in programs like GeoGebra and WinPlot and other programs that you may or may not have used. Question from Emma. Nice and loud.
Okay. Is the thing you just drew, the one that looks like the inverse tan function, is that only called y equals arc cos x, or could it also be called x equals cos y?
Great question, class. It cannot be called x equals cos y, because x equals cos y
Isn't a function.
is this thing over here, which goes up and down forever and is not a function.
Okay.
So if we talk about x equals cos y, or if we refer to the inverse of y equals cos x, that's something that is going to be one to many and will go up and down forever and will not be a function.
Okay.
On the other hand, as you've pointed out, this thing that we drew on the right, which actually does not resemble a tan function, sorry, I don't agree, its names are y equals inverse cos x, y equals arc cos x, and some people call it y equals a cos x. There's some disagreement in the mathematical community about names. Some people insist on using a capital A in front of that, but most people don't worry about that. So that's the end of this video on the inverse cosine function.